Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chris, and for my video today I have a quick little unboxing. Now this is an item that I wanted to buy brand new from Louis Vuitton. I do not have a store close to my house. It's about a 2-hour ride. I didn't want to drive 2 hours only to find out that they were sold out of the item. And of course it was sold out online as well, so I decided to look around in the pre-owned market, and I happened to find one in the real in really good condition. So that's what this unboxing is today. It is actually a real unboxing. And I'm actually going to cut it open on camera and everything, so I better put my glasses on or I'll cut myself. Alright, so as you can see from the size of the box, it's a pretty small item. And just going to cut this right open here. Now, the reason I wanted this item is because I've been looking for an eyeglass case, or rather a sunglass case. Many of you guys know when you get new sunglasses, especially if they're a larger pair of sunglasses that cover your face better, they come with these cases that are ridiculously oversized. Like the one that I have a pair of Chloe sunglasses, and the case is like a brick. It's literally about this big, so you can't carry it in your handbag. So usually I'm just slipping my sunglasses in my handbag and hoping for the best, and I decided that that was probably, not a good idea over the long run, so I decided to look around for a sunglass case. And when I was looking on the website, I realized that there's few and far between. So this is what I've got today. This is, as you can see, a small SLG from Louis Vuitton. And let me just open it up here. Ooh, I'm excited. Here it is. This is the Elizabeth pouch. So as you can see, it comes in the Damier Azure, and it has the beautiful pink leather on the opposite side, and it has this really cute little dangly charm on the side of it. So I thought this would be a perfect item to put my sunglasses in. I measured my sunglasses to make sure that they would fit, and hopefully they will. And I'm just going to open this up. It has the rounded edges on the top so that it's going to open up nice and wide. And I'm going to take the stuffing out, and you can see I have all my authenticity cards right here, which is really nice. So like I said, it was in really good condition. I'm going to put my glasses on so I can see it a little better. And it also has this suede lining on the inside, which is the same color pink as the exterior. On the bottom you can see that it is the vachetta leather. So this thing is in really fabulous condition. I am very impressed with this. There has been no patina or anything on the vachetta. It's nice and soft. There's no marks or scratches of any kind. But I thought it was just the cutest little thing. Now they did have, I think they had a red epi one online. I wasn't interested in red. I was really trying to go for either the Damier Ebene or the monogram. But then I saw this one online, and I thought it was so cute and so pretty that I just decided, what the heck, I'm just going to go ahead and get that. And so hopefully I will be able to put my sunglasses in there. Let's see. Now this is just a pair of reading glasses, and as you can see, they fit in there very easily. This is actually a pencil case. This is called the Elizabeth pencil case. So if you were someone who needed to carry a lot of pens and pencils around and you wanted to do it really in a very fancy way, I would say you could use it for this. But I've thought of a couple uses of this for this actually. If you carry makeup brushes around with you, they would certainly fit in here quite easily. If you wanted to make it into a little like a first aid kit where you would have maybe some band-aids and a sewing kit, little scissors, things like that, you can do that as well. If you wanted to use it as a mini makeup kit, very easy to do that because it's long and skinny, so you can put all your lipsticks and your brushes and any of your smaller compacts in there. But overall, I have to say that I think it's going to work really great for my sunglasses, so I'm super excited about this. Right now, like I said, I've been either sticking my sunglasses just randomly in my purse and hoping for the best, or occasionally when I carry one of my Louis Vuitton bags that has a pouch, I try to stick it in the pouch, and I find that it's very difficult to get them in the pouch because the pouch is really narrow, and they fit, but it's a real struggle to get them in or to get them out. So I thought that this would be a great little item, and I'm really pleased with the way it looks. I can see that it has very little use at all, and I just love the color of it, and I love the feel of it, and I just thought it was the cutest little thing. So looks like it's going to be a really useful SLG for me. And the first thing I'm going to do is protect it with my Carbon Pro for the leather parts, and then I think maybe, yeah, I'll probably do the inside too with the Carbon Pro since it appears to be suede as well. So I wanted you to see this as I unboxed it, and I will keep you posted and let you know how it works out for me. And I think I'm going to do a little comparison video between this and the Toiletry 15 because they are sort of in the same niche. However, the Toiletry 15 is obviously tall and skinny, whereas this is long and sort of fat on the bottom there because you can see the triangular shape of it. But isn't this the cutest little thing? I'm really, really excited about this and so happy I got it. So that is it for my quick little unboxing today. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate your support if you did that. And until my next video, take care.